the bar at a height equal to your sternum. Go under the bar, resting it on your front delts. Cross your arms and grip the bar. Keep elbows up. Lift the bar from the rack and step backwards, keeping elbows up. Raise your chest. This keeps the upper back muscles tight. Stand with feet just wider than shoulder width, toes pointed out. Break at the knees and squat down. Keep your back vertical. On the ascent, lead with your chest, keeping elbows up. Keep your back as straight as possible. Try and imagine that you are squatting against a wall.